Hey guys, this is a review of the AHHZDQ rechargeable headlamp, and the brand did send me a free one so I can review it for you today. So I wanted to demonstrate some of the really cool features of this headlamp. Now, first and foremost, turn it on. It's really simple. You simply press the button up here. You can see right away it goes into a super bright 120,000 lumen mode. Now it does have 5 different settings, which I'm going to demonstrate here. The first one is the super bright one. The second is a medium. Then you got a low. And finally you got a strobe. And the last one is called SOS, which is kind of a slower strobe. Now to charge it, it's very easy. You simply use the provided USB cord and you plug it in over here. Now you can see 2 different inputs. Right away, the gauge starts charging. Now this is going to be your power gauge here. It does have a very comfortable design. You can see the headband is very stretchable. And the other unique feature is if you're working under a car or in your garage, you can tilt here. So it has maximum mobility if you're looking up, looking down, underneath a car like this. Now the light is also zoomable, which I'm going to demonstrate right now. You can see this is the normal, but if you simply pull here, it does zoom in into a more direct beam, or you can go out, and further out. It is a very well built and tough industrial design, and I would highly recommend this for anyone who wants a headlamp for reading at night, working in the garage as a mechanic, or running at night, hunting, biking, or any camping needs.